Speedy Fit Height Course. Are you feeling secondary because of your short height? Don't be upset because تشریف دواخانہ present solution of your height problems. Speedy Fit Height Course can help you grow taller and increase your height. 100% natural safe nutritional supplement, increase height quickly and naturally for men and women. Speedy Fit Height Course, increase height 1 to 8 inches. Speedy Fit Height Course is the first and the most effective growing taller supplement. Speedy Fit Height Course is an amazing bones and cartilages builders and has been proven 100% safe, effective. Speedy Fit Height Course will make your dream reality, improve your life, feel healthy and energetic. Get noticed and receive the respect you want to deserve. Be taller and better looking. Speedy Fit Height Course will only boost your natural growth, improving your HGH level and regenerating your cartilages, discs and bones. Your height gain will be permanent, safe, and proportionately. Speedy Fit Height Course can make a radical difference in your overall height, posture, and outlook. Your Speedy Fit Height Course fulfill your height gaining desire and make you feel happy and confidence. Speedy Fit Height Course, a powerful, safe, and effective grow taller formula to help you maximize height faster by boosting your own natural growth. Speedy Fit Height Course price is $4,800. If you are surviving any problem of height growth, you can contact us or come to تشریف دواخانہ.
Welcome to تشریف دواخانہ. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to تشریف دواخانہ, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, Consultant Sexologist, Alternative Medicine, Specialist Expert Male and Female, Infertility Chairman Taysir Patient Welfare Society, 0334-9552889, 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Taysir Medical Board, Hakeems and Lady Doctors, or consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below: 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390, for free consultation. Erection stiffness, duration, erectile dysfunction, lose erection. Please contact on these numbers: 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis. Please contact on these numbers: 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101. Email consultation, women health issues, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose weight, gain. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777696, or female consultation, women health issues, height, lecorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, 0332-1500548, 0332-1500549, address Taseer Dwakhana and Taseer Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.taseerdwakhana.com, www.taseerlabs.com, www.drtariqtaseer.com, www.taseerlab.com, www.taseerherbalpharma.com.